Hi everyone, it's Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. You are not going to believe what showed up my door today. Well, let me show you. It's my November Look Fantastic. It's only, been 18,000 years since I was supposed to get this box. Anyway, I don't know what happened with Look Fantastic this month. Like, this is usually the very first box I get every month. Never fails. I always get it between the 7th and the 9th. One of the reasons why I love the fact about this box is that I usually get it like the first week of the month. What's this? Okay. So, for those of you who are new to my channel, if you don't know anything about Look Fantastic, it is a UK, United Kingdom. It's a box from the United Kingdom, UK, right? If you sign up for 12 months, which is what I did, they take the money out of your account every month. So they're like the only I don't think there's many companies. I don't know of any other company that does this. So I'm going to say the only company, but I could be wrong. But as far as I know, they're the only company that you can sign up for 12 months, get that discount, and have it taken out of your account every month. So on the first of every month, I get $20 or $21 taken out of my account. That's how much it cost me because I signed up for 12 months. I believe if you sign up monthly, it's around $26 a month Canadian. I'm not sure, don't quote me, but this cost me $20.50 every month. It is mostly skincare. Mostly you get 5 items. It's usually a mix between deluxe and full size. Usually you'll probably get like 2 full size and 3 deluxe, but their deluxe sizes are pretty freaking good. And again, it's mostly very expensive skincare that we cannot get here in Canada. And this box, you can get this box, I believe, worldwide, which is awesome. So they always come every month, a different box, a different color. They're very heavy, they're sturdy, great for storage. I love the Look Fantastic box. I will leave my link down below. You don't get anything. I don't think so. I don't think you do. I think you have to buy over $60 worth of product on their site in order to get the 20% off. They have a lot of Christmas boxes out right now. They have stockings. They got a chest. Their advent calendar is sold out. I'm bummed about that because I really wanted it, but it was too much in Canada. They also have, starting today, a Black Friday box. And in Canadian, it's $40. If you're a subscriber, you get $6 off. If not, I think it's like $42. I looked at it. I was thinking about it, but when I went under description, it's a lot of deluxe sizes. So I'm like, you know what? I got enough coming. I don't need any more. And it wasn't like, it was great items, but I didn't go, ooh, I gotta have it kind of thing, you know? Okay, so what does it say here? Yahhhhh. A quality of coziness and comfortable conviviality that creates a feeling of contentment or well-being. Okay, so that's what Yahhhhh means. And Yahhhhh is spelled H-Y-G-G-E, a quality of coziness and comfortable conviviality that creates a feeling of contentment or well-being. That is a mouthful, okay? I have no idea what I just said. I don't understand those words. That's all. Okay. Every month you get a little pamphlet. It's going to tell you what's in the box. Right now it just says there's a beauty chest coming soon, which I already know. It's on their website. Subscribers will get it for, it says 80 pounds. So it's about $100 or more in Canadian. And, ooh, I am excited. This is a December sneak peek. It's a sleek eyeshadow palette. Somebody let me know. The company's Sleek. We can't get it here in Canada. One of my girls in the UK, is this a good company? Like, is it a pharmacy brand? Because this eyeshadow palette is £8.99. So in Canadian, it's going to be about $12. I don't know. But please, in the comments down below, someone's going to tell me. But £8.99, I don't know, $12 Canadian. But let me know, is it a good quality brand? Anyways, also in the box every month, you always get an Elle magazine. This will be in your box every month. It's pretty cool. I mean, this magazine is what, $5, $6 here in Canada? But I never get any smellers. Every now and then, they will put a smeller in there, but not often. But that's pretty cool, right? An Elle magazine. All right, so we're going to go into the box. And let's see. I've been getting Look Fantastic now, I think 2 years, something like that. I believe I unsubscribed for a couple months a year and a half ago, and then I just went, screw it, I'll get, because I like it. I like what you get. Usually I like what you get in the box. I know I knew what was coming in this box. I forget now, and I don't think I was too... It's not very often they have a dud of a box. Usually it's like, wow, I just got all that for 20 bucks, right? But I think this was kind of like a dud of a box. But let's see. Okay, so we got the ESPA Natural Beauty Intercom Smooth and Firm Body Butter. And this is worth for 30 mil. And this is 30 mil. So for 30 mil, this would cost £8.33. Again, I am not doing the math, because you know I'm going to be wrong. So that's all right. You know, we got a body butter. Next, we got this Deep Sleep Pillow Spray, which I've never used. And this is worth £8. Okay. I've heard people like this and some people not. And, oh, I could not. That's too much. It's the lavender. I can't do the lavender. I literally cannot do lavender. I know some people love lavender. Lavender's not for me. Oh, no. Go away. Okay, so that's that. Then we have this little bottle of Nux, which is worth £4.50. And what is this? An oil? Multi-purpose dry face, body, or hair oil, able to be used on face, body, and hair. Okay, I'm gonna give this a try actually on my hair. So it's a cute little bottle. Yeah, £4.55. Again, like I said, this box is not wowing me this month, but this is literally like one of my favorite boxes that I get every month. You can go look at my other videos if you're new to my channel, if you've never seen Look Fantastic. But I love this box. But this box to me isn't something that's getting me excited, which, you know, I'm excited for December. I mean, it happens, right? Okay, the next thing in here is a sponge, a konjac sponge. What do you do with this? Rinse sponge underwater until fully expanded. Apply cleanser to sponge, and okay, so it's like a, you know, a loofah sponge. You're cleaning your body, but it's a sponge. Massage it to the skin, so, and it's biodegradable, blah, blah, blah. Right. I'm not that excited. Then we got Dr. Botanicals Hemp Infused Natural Moisturizer. This is worth £12. That sponge was £7. I wouldn't pay, you know, $10 for that in Canadian. I wouldn't, right? This is £12. Applied to clean, dry skin, blending upwards in circular motions to encourage circulation. Dr. Botanicals is a good brand, so we got a new moisturizer. I'm going to try it, see what it's like. My skin is really, it's beyond dry. Oh my God, it's so cold. My skin is brutal. There was no makeup in the box this month. Lately, they were putting at least 1 or 2 items in the box, like makeup. But this month, there was no makeup. That's a little bit of a bummer. But next month, we're getting that eyeshadow palette, so that's okay. Okay, the last thing in this box for £9.99. Like, this was a real dud of a box. It's a hand mask. Okay, so it's a hand mask. I'm really surprised, because usually there's at least one item in the box that's worth a lot of money. This box is, it ain't it. You know, 10, 20, 30, 40, like £60? That's what the box would have been worth. It's just, it's suggestion, sign up December 1st for Look Fantastic, because I think that box will be much better. Usually December's boxes are. If you're going to sign up December 1st, because this box just didn't do it for me at all. It really didn't. You know, like I said, it's not often they come out with a dud of a box, maybe twice a year, and I believe this is probably the second box that's a dud. I think January or February box was a bit of a dud too, if I'm not mistaken. So it's not very often they come out with a box where you're like, oh, this is kind of crappy, right? You know, unless, you know, if you love these items, and that's great. For me personally, I'm not excited over by what's in the box. Like, I just don't like that smell. This is about, you know, the only thing that's getting me excited. I can try something for my hair. You know, a body lotion. Yeah. It was a bit of a dud box this month. Look Fantastic. I still love ya. I can't wait for my box next month, which, you know what? Because it's now November 22nd, I only have to wait 2 weeks for that. Hopefully, you know, God help me if you do the same thing to me this, you know, next month that you did this month. Anyway, that's my box. I know a lot of you get it. What did you think of it? I wasn't that impressed. Like, if there was an option to skip a month, I would have skipped this month. You know, but I'll try the products in it, except for that little sleeping spray. I'll put that on my pillow. I'll put that in my giveaway. But that's it, everyone. Don't forget to like my video. Don't forget, we're going to have a live tomorrow, 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. I'm in Toronto. We are going to be playing around with some funky straws. Yeah, we're going to put some straws in my hair. So be prepared to laugh. Okay? And that's it. That's all the mail I got today. I was hoping to get a couple of things that I have coming, but everything now is gonna like come on Monday, which is gonna be fabulous, right? So, yeah, that's it. All right, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, love you. Don't forget to like my video.